What's happening, Real World PDR? Today, we're going to watch Hudson do what Hudson does best. One take PDR quick tip for you. Man, that's hard to say.
Hey, I want to talk to you today about a really quick, a really quick knockdown. So what you have here is a knockdown from Anson. Very simple. This is a black one. They come in multiple colors. There's a magnet in there. It can receive tips. But here is what I like to do for these is this is a Willy Quick adapter. So Willy Quick sells these adapters. You can see this is the receiver and this is what goes on to your tip, like so. So here is your tip, the Dead On Dental's tip, and then here's a Willy Quick. This goes just like that. Pull it out. Now, once you take this Anson knockdown, it's a bit of a short guy. So you add the Willy Quick receiver to it, and then boom. You now have a certified perfect length knockdown. Just to give you an idea, here's a VIP, here's this. But here's the difference now, is because of this guy, I have all these tips ready to go. So all my tips that I usually do a lot of knocking down with, I'm gonna take this guy right here, boom, boom, ready to go. That's my next one. Oh, I'm done with doing crown work. I need some more finesse. 2 seconds versus take that off and put that one on. All right, so I could have changed out probably 4 or 5 tips in the time it took me to replace that one. And seconds add up over time. So there you go. I can't recommend it enough. These little guys are not too expensive, from Anson with a Willy Quick on top. Perfect combo for getting some quick changes of what kind of knockdown tips you need. So grab those next time you're at Anson.
So there you have it, Real World PDR, a really quick tech tip from Hudson, Anson, and Willy Quick. Of course, as always, check out realworldpdr.com for hundreds of great PDR tutorial and instructional videos. I will post a link in the description to ansonpdr.com where you can buy these tools. Special thanks to the crew over at Anson, because without them, we couldn't do these reviews and tech tips like we do.